sidecar motorcycles, open paddock repairs, 2 days of vintage motorcycle racing at Thunderbolt Raceway. This is the RV Shop Vintage Motorcycle Festival with AHRMA at New Jersey Motorsports Park. The RV Shop sponsored the 13th Annual American Historic Racing Motorcycle Association Vintage Motorcycle Festival at NJMP in June 2025. The American Historic Racing Motorcycle Association is dedicated to restoring and competing on classic motorcycles. With our open paddock design, spectators were able to get a close look at all the amazing motorcycles that were on display and getting ready to race. After weeks of training and prepping, it's time to take to the track. This event had 6 groups participating in races throughout the weekend. And when cycles weren't on track, racers and spectators could check out the Icon Hard Knocks Motovest and Clutch Control Stunt Show presented by Revzilla, which included the Apex Racing Academy and the Bike Experience. We even spotted a few familiar faces in the paddock, with our Riders Club members representing NJMP in the races. My favorite part of the weekend has to be the sidecar races. Watch as these riders shift and move with each turn, both thrilling and extremely challenging. Learn more about events like these coming to NJMP in Millville, New Jersey at njmp.com.